Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. In today's video, I'm excited to share this macaroni and cheese recipe with you all. Let's get started. I have 1 box of elbow pasta. I have my block of cheese. Yes, I recommend you shred your own cheese, guys. So there's Monterey Jack cheese, mozzarella cheese, and cheddar cheese. I have 2 evaporated milk, 2 eggs, butter, paprika, black pepper, knoor seasoning. Also have my all-purpose flour, salt, and I have my hot pepper and Monterey Jack cheese blend. I love using this cheese. It really gives the mac and cheese a nice kick. So I've put a pot of water on and I'm adding a half a tablespoon of salt and my chicken seasoning. Yes, I'm actually creating a stock to cook the macaroni. Whilst my pasta water is boiling, I am shredding my cheese. I recommend you shred your own cheese. The already shredded cheese in the stores has a starchy substance that is added to it. So when making macaroni and cheese, guys, please use block cheese and shred your own. And there is my 3 cheese that I've beautifully shredded. Alright, so my water has come to a boil and I've added my macaroni. And my elbow pasta is a 20-ounce box, meaning that it is 1.5 pounds. So I'll cook this until it is al dente. And before you strain the water, please be sure to save at least 1 cup of the pasta water. And now the exciting part, guys. Let's begin making mac and cheese. I've put 1 stick of butter in my pan to melt, and then I will put a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and I will whisk for about a minute or 2. And then I will come in with my evaporated milk. You can use any milk of choice for macaroni and cheese. You can use heavy cream, you can even use half and half. All right, and then I will whisk that together. This part right here is called the roux. The roux is just a thickener to the mac and cheese. Yes, it really adds texture to the mac and cheese. And then I'll come in with 2 eggs. That even makes it exciting. Yes, so our macaroni and cheese is going to be creamy and delicious. Once that is whisked together, I come in with my cheese. So I have cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, and Monterey Jack cheese. And guys, look at how cheesy that is looking. Yes, so I'll whisk everything together. And to loosen the sauce a bit, I've added some of my pasta water. Yes, so I recommend you save about a cup of the pasta water, all right, to loosen your cheese sauce. And look at that. This is just the perfect texture for the mac and cheese. And guys, I'm adding paprika to my sauce to give it that beautiful color. I've added black pepper and I've added some salt. I'll make sure to list the detailed measurement in my description. And I whisk it all together. I'm excited for this mac and cheese, guys. And without wasting time, macaroni comes in and everything get mixed. In a casserole dish, I'm pouring half of my macaroni and cheese inside, and then I'll spread it out nicely, and then I will spread some cheese on there. I'm actually doing 2 layers of the mac and cheese. We really love it that way. So I've put some cheddar cheese and I'm putting mozzarella cheese, and then I'll put my Monterey Jack cheese. Guys, as I said earlier, I also have my hot pepper blend. It's jalapeno peppers and Monterey Jack cheese blend, and I love it in the mac and cheese. Yes, so I've spreaded some of that on there as well. And then I will pour the remaining of the macaroni and cheese, spread it out nicely, and then repeat the cheese spread process again. And this is how I make my mac and cheese. All right, and then I'm ready to put it in the oven, guys. We can't wait any longer. And I'll be baking my mac and cheese at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. And guys, 35 minutes later, there we have it. An amazing, creamy, delicious, cheesy mac and cheese. And my little daughter just couldn't wait to have that slice that I'm cutting right now. Yes, so she brought a plate. She said, "Mama, can I get that?" And I said, "Sure, of course, anything for my babies." Guys, I hope you try this recipe. And please, if you do, give me a feedback and let me know what you think. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your support. And to my new subscribers, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate it. Guys, please, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification bell so anytime I upload, you will be one of the first to be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.